So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix your ear speaker having low volume on your iPhone while you are on the call or something. Now in order to fix it, first of all, call someone. You can either call to your number itself, and once you are on the call, while you are on the call, you have to simply adjust that volume using your power buttons, because if I right now use my power button, it will directly control the media buttons, media volume. Or if I open the settings and go to this option of sound and haptics as well, here only I'll able to find this option of ringtone and alerts. Now in order to fix the low volume on your ear speaker while on the call, you have to be on the call, and while on the call, simply adjust the ear speaker just by using your buttons, and that button will directly increase your earpiece sound. And if it still not works, you might have been facing some hardware issues, so make sure to consult the Apple Care. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.